G'day, it's Eaton, Heavy Diesels Australia, and today we're going to make a video on assembling 22 series gearbox. I've looked on the internet a lot and I don't really see too many detailed videos, so you just hop right into it. It's all stripped and cleaned, and I've started with some sub-assembly. So the main case sub-assembly, you could say, with idler, reverse idler and oil pump fitted. It's all very simple to fit. Remove and reseal them studs. I just like to do it, you don't have to. And new magnets. We put new magnets in, they come in the kit, which we'll look at in a minute. Saves you cleaning up, but it's a good idea. And then underneath the two PDO covers. So there's a 6-bolt one, which we don't generally use in Australia, except I think tow trucks, they run 2 PDOs. Mainly we use 8-bolt one. And don't forget these 2 bolts and these 3, 1, 2, 3, go through to oil. So same with the studs. Put a bit of glue on them, and you won't get any oil leaks. And if you like the stand we made, yeah, it's good. We got this rollover stand years ago from a fella and made an adapter for late model gearboxes. Works very well. I mainly use these super kits, which you get all these bits, new valves and washers and snap rings and a few fittings, synchros, and you don't get that splitter gear. You order that separate, and you don't get these. I like to put new senders in. Reverse sender, it's here somewhere. There's a reverse, but you get a couple of rows of gears, which we'll look into. So that's 4th gear. That's the drive gear for 4th. Hoses, gaskets, all the rest. Shim kits and rear seal. And speaking of glue, the old faithful tube of glue that's never run out up until today. We've been having bets on how long it'll last. Well, no more. New tube of glue. After about 3 years, we've been betting on that. Anyway, timing's very important in these gearboxes. So you can see all the yellow marks. Low gear, 27 teeth. You just find the centre, basically, mark it. Counter shafts, we might just do a video on timing, but marked. Drive gears, the low split gear and input shaft gear. I like to lay everything out like that, neat, so I know where it is. You don't have to. You leave it all in a pile in a basket, but you've got to be searching for the shit for days. Anyway, we'll put a few things together. We'll press these counter shafts together, and we'll try and keep the video short for us fuckers with short attention spans that just want to scroll on. But if you're interested to see how a 22 series goes together, yeah, subscribe, I suppose, and hang around. Thanks.